Hi, good afternoon. My name is Julieth Vanegas. I am 32 years old. I study psychology. My recipe is coconut rice. To start preparing the coconut rice, first you must break the coconut into small pieces and liquefy on water, strain, and leave the bigas aside. The coconut gas is usually liquefied again, apart in a pot put to heat over medium heat. The first coconut melt with the shower and cooked until golden. Should always stay that color. Then add the second coconut water, the soda, the salt, and the raisins are usually added. It is optional and that let it boil. Add the rice and mix. Let dry and add butter. Then cover the pot. You should always lower the cooking temperature to medium heat. You should never let it cook at high temperature. Enter the grain, rice completely. Sometimes it's accompanied with plantain slices. Where you doing last Christmas, I spent it with the family.